Aging is one of the most harrowing experiences in life because it is completely unavoidable. There's nothing you can do to live forever, at least not yet. Odds are you've thought about the steps that you should take to maximize the years that you have left, or even extend your lifespan, whether it be through adopting new habits or letting go of old ones. What if there was a medical way that you could amplify your wellness? What if there was something that you could do to turn back the clock? Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, is one of the many modern tools at our disposal that have the capability to revolutionize life extension treatment and help patients live longer and healthier lives. In many ways, hormone optimization is still in its infancy, but that doesn't mean that there aren't already massive ways that you can benefit. We represent a board-certified HRT clinic that specializes in providing 21st century wellness plans to patients 30 years and older. We recognize that hormone balance is the key to maintaining a life full of energy and vitality, and it is our pleasure and duty to help our patients relieve hormone imbalance to potentially live a longer and fuller life. This is for all the guys out there. Do you feel that your energy has been lacking in recent months or years? Does it feel as if there's something unexplainable slowly leaching your strength? Do you work harder than ever to achieve less and less in the gym? Do these changes correspond with dissatisfaction in the bedroom? Are stress and anxiety weighing down on your shoulders needlessly? These are clear signs that hormone imbalance is making a mess of your life. These symptoms are strongly associated with age-related testosterone deficiency, or andropause. Another form of hormone imbalance that has a perilous effect on the wellness of both men and women alike is human growth hormone deficiency. For men, it is quite common for HGH deficiency and low testosterone to become significant health issues during the latter part of middle age. Some unlucky guys may even experience these problems in their 30s. Have you had trouble sleeping recently? Do you find yourself under the weather too often, both regarding duration and frequency? Is it getting harder to pay attention and recall past experiences? Does strenuous physical activity inflame your joints or otherwise leave you feeling in pain for days? Do you feel like your quality of life has taken a dive, like you're in an ongoing slump? These are powerful signs of human growth hormone deficiency. Of course, HGH deficiency and testosterone deficiency share many common symptoms. Both have a strong effect on muscle mass, strength, body fat, and energy level. When human growth hormone deficiency and andropause suppress a man's vitality simultaneously, it can have a devastating impact on wellness. Hormone replacement therapy has helped hundreds of thousands of males across America live better and happier lives. Could you be the next person whose life is changed by the power of hormone restoration? Hormone imbalance is complex and multifaceted. No one man will experience hormone deficiency in the same exact way. It's also true that these hormone issues share characteristics with other medical problems. When considering whether you can benefit from hormone replacement therapy, think about how many of these symptoms are impacting your life. The more symptoms that you are experiencing from the above list, the more likely that declining hormone levels are having a suppressive impact on your wellness. Though both HGH deficiency and low testosterone share many of the same underlying symptoms, because both have a dramatic effect on your basic metabolism and anabolic processes, testosterone has a more notable impact on sexual health. If your inability to maintain an erection and generate desire for your partner is inhibiting your quality of life, low testosterone is one of the top 2 causes of erectile dysfunction and sexual insufficiency. Take a moment to reflect on your life, on the changes in your health and wellness that have occurred over the last 6 months to 5 years. How many of the previously stated symptoms apply to you? If you feel that we've been describing your life and your struggle, we encourage you to give us a call for a free consultation. It's easy to simply stay the course and neglect to make meaningful changes in your life. Understand that ignoring your metabolic problems won't make them go away, and that without HRT intervention, your issues with hormone imbalance will become worse, and your issues will eventually become impossible to ignore. The simple fact is that human growth hormone is the tool that your body uses to keep up with the hefty demands of rehabilitation and rejuvenation. When HGH production falls beneath a certain point, your body can only do so much to prepare you for the coming day, and the body starts to drop into a state of enhanced deterioration. Testosterone preserves healthy body composition and retains the strength of the muscles, skeleton, and cardiovascular system. Testosterone deficiency does more than just eradicate your sexual desire. It puts you more at risk of a range of dire health issues, including diabetes, obesity, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, stroke, and more. For reasons that we can only ponder, optimal testosterone and HGH production are on a timer. Our bodies are designed to produce the ideal levels of testosterone and human growth hormone during our late teens and through the 20s. It's hypothesized that this is because this was the prime era during which we could bear and raise children during prehistoric times. Life expectancies were much shorter, and it was more important to humanity to continue the bloodline than to optimize for longevity. Beginning around age 30, our brains slowly draw down the production of vital age-related hormones like human growth hormone and testosterone, like slowly turning off a faucet. In men, both hormones see a similarly paced decline. Those that drink too much, eat poorly, smoke, or engage in an overly sedentary lifestyle will experience even greater declines in hormone production, though these issues can be lessened through the adoption of improved habits. Even for the healthiest people, by 80 years old, HGH levels fall to around 5% of the human growth hormone circulating when they were 20 years old. Of course, you don't have to resign your body and mind to the health issues associated with hormone imbalance and deficiency. Trustworthy, experienced, and knowledgeable hormone doctors are standing by to help you take the steps necessary to get prescription hormones for somatopause and andropause. It will likely be years before hormone optimization becomes a routine aspect of health maintenance for men and women of all ages. But there's no reason you can't get ahead of the curve. Our hormone specialists have extensive training in endocrinology, urology, and anti-aging medicine. Let them help you brighten up your golden years. Our HRT clinic accepts patients of at least 30 years of age. We provide prescription hormone treatments to patients that we have determined have a clinical need for HRT therapy. We focus on restoring healthy hormone balance so that you can live a better life. Thank you for watching.